Where did COVID-19 originated? Answer: Wuhan. Which is the plausible way to prevent the spread? Answer: social distancing. What is the major complication involved in a COVID-19 patient? Answer: breathing issues. When do the symptoms start appearing? Answer: 2-14 days. Who is more susceptible? Answer: aged. How much alcohol should the sanitizer contain? Answer: 60%. What is the distance to be maintained to prevent the spread? Answer: 6 feet. What can be worn to prevent the spread? Answer: mask. How to clean a face mask? Answer: washing machine. What test is done for current infection? Answer: viral test. What test is done for the past infection? Answer: antibody test. Who carries out these tests? Answer: healthcare providers. How do you know you have COVID-19? Answer: common symptoms include difficulty in breathing, cough, and fever. Also, if you are in containment zone, you must get tested. How to confirm that you have got COVID-19? Answer: proper testing by calling the healthcare professionals. How do you know your bodies have sufficient antibodies? Answer: recovery. One of the way that used to treat a COVID-19 is dash answer plasma therapy. What has it caused worldwide? Answer: pandemic. The most affected country in the world? Answer: America. Those who have traveled to countries with the outbreak have to undergo answer: quarantine. Patients with COVID have to be in answer: isolation. How can we stop the spread from happening? Answer: disinfection. What can you get from public health official? Answer: up to date information. To prevent the spread, we have to limit our Answer exposure. People during the COVID-19 crisis for smaller elements go in for consolation and opt for answer telemedicine. What does CO stand for COVID-19? Answer corona. What does VI stand for COVID-19? Answer virus. What does D stand for COVID-19? Answer disease. Which is the world body that is advising for COVID-19? Answer WHO, World Health Organization. How to avoid stigmatizing of COVID-19 infected person? Answer counseling. What is the origin of this infection? Answer bats. Cough and sneezes from infected person spread through respiratory. Answer droplets. What is the source of the coronavirus? Answer SARS-CoV-2. How to prevent the spread? Answer testing. How long do you have to wash hands with soap and water? Answer 20 seconds. What should people avoid touching? Answer mouth, nose, eyes. Because it is a new form of coronavirus, it's called answer novel. The transmission of the virus is more when the weather is answer cold. In order to spread the disease, the coronavirus needs a answer host. The virus can remain on any surface for days. Answer dormant. How to know the severity of the disease? Answer lab test. People infected with coronavirus in a region is known as answer community spread. Another factor that act as a catalyst in the spread of COVID-19. Answer temperature. What has COVID-19 done to the economy? Answer crashed. What has the pandemic called for? Answer shutdown. What has happened to inter-country travel because of COVID-19? Answer: banned. How is the testing done at checkpoints? Answer: thermal temperature testing. Which temperatures kill the virus? Answer: high. Temperature-based cut-off will work on the virus for answer: inactivation. Do mosquitoes and ticks spread the virus? Answer: no. What are the healthcare workers using to protect themselves? Answer: PPE kits. What are the medical masks called? Answer: N95 respirators. Severe cases of COVID-19 have to be kept on answer: ventilators. Some cases have been treated with answer: blood transfusion. Medication used to treat malaria to some extent has helped treat answer: COVID-19. A person with prior medical conditions are at answer: high risk. People with chronic disease have to exercise answer: extra care. People cured of COVID-19 are required for collecting answer: antibodies. Late detection of the disease can be answer: fatal. Who can get infected easily? Answer: low immunity. A disease that can be transmitted to humans from animal is answer: zoonotic. Thank you.